being said that porn, along with gaming, is robbing young men of their desire to work. And now I'm going to step back here for a moment and tell you that I didn't even bother to read this article. Just like everybody else, I got all my information, all that I need to know about this article, from the headline of this article. And that headline kind of told me all I need to know about what's in the article. And besides, pornography and gaming, that's been with all of us since we decided to step up out of the ocean for a look-see. And why this article is only targeting men who watch porn and not talking about all the women on OnlyFans that are making a shitload of money from porn. But I'm telling you right now, all those women on OnlyFans, they ain't making any money from any guys under the age of 30, because those young dudes are too busy gaming or watching porn when they ought to be working.